It's a case of what have we done to date that we want to carry on doing as Humber Coast and Vale level? What else on the list do we think we should do at Humber Coast and Vale level, or what do we think actually this would sit better on a subsystem level or even smaller level? So if I give you the example of commissioning decisions, which I think your audience will be quite keen to know about, that, you know, at the moment that is felt that would be better at subsystem level, so as a smaller geography than Humber Coast and Vale, just to start off with, because we just felt it was too vast at this time to do Humber Coast and Vale level. If we can establish it well at subsystem level, so I think in my head, and this is not established and this is not official, you know, we can establish it at North Yorkshire and York level, and they can establish it at Humber level, then in time we could move to Humber Coast and Vale level if that was appropriate and that was, you know, the way it worked. But so it's different, it'll be decision by decision on how that is, you know, works. But I can see that we're going to do a lot of things Humber Coast and Vale level because that is the way the money's going to flow. So I'll give you an example of you know, recent monies that have come to Humber Coast and Vale. So the Community Pharmacy Consultation Service, where the GP practice can refer to a community pharmacy for a patient that's got a minor ailment. That's a national service. Money to get that going is flowing to Humber Coast and Vale for us to use at Humber Coast and Vale level, and so it's going to, you know, make sense that we do it across. So I think the direction of travel that I'm understanding is the money will flow that way, but it doesn't necessarily mean it has to be spent at Humber Coast and Vale level. It might be that even just one CCG at this point says, actually, we're ready to use that, we can do that, and they go ahead on behalf of the system and then share that learning and cascade that on throughout the system. Does that make sense?